You guys know that ChatGPT and other AI writers are meant to make creating content faster, but they often leave you with stiff, unnatural text that feels robotic. Fixing that can take hours, from rewriting sentences to checking if the content passes AI detectors. Oreate AI steps in to address those issues. It's not just a text generator. It includes built-in research tools, options to build presentations directly within the platform, and perhaps its most interesting feature, one-click text humanization, which turns machine-like language into something natural and smooth. In this video, we'll see how each of these features performs and how they really make the writing process easier. One of the biggest problems with powerful software is that it can feel too complicated to use at first. A good platform should feel simple and welcoming right from the start. That's why the first thing we're going to talk about is Oreate's design and how easy it is to use. When you log in, you're greeted with an uncluttered dashboard that feels inviting. The main tools, like AI Presentation and AI Essay Writer, are neatly listed on a panel to the left, so you can find what you need quickly. The center of the screen is your main workspace. The soft color scheme is easy on the eyes, which really helps if you're working for hours at a time. What stands out is how effortless it feels to get started. There's no learning curve or need to sit through tutorials. You can just sign in and start creating right away. This thoughtful, user-first design removes the frustration that many advanced tools come with. Making presentations is something almost everyone has to do, students, teachers, and professionals alike, but it often ends up slowing things down. The hard part is how much work goes into it. Gathering the right information, putting together a clear outline, writing the content for each slide, finding good images, and making sure everything looks consistent. Oreate brings the whole process into just writing a prompt. For this test, we gave Oreate a simple, one-line prompt: the impact of renewable energy on the global economy. We set it to create 20 to 25 slides and chose English as the language. As soon as we hit proceed, Oreate quickly put together a complete outline for the presentation. What's nice is that this outline isn't fixed. You can tweak it right there. Remove points, add new ones, or reword topics before the actual slides are generated. Once the outline looked good, we chose a visual style, color palette, and template theme to match the tone we wanted. Then we clicked Generate. Less than a minute later, the full presentation was ready. Every slide came filled with text, images, and data visualizations that made sense. The slides looked clean and professional, and everything was editable. You can change the text, swap out images, or move elements around. You can even run the slideshow directly inside Oreate, or download it. Honestly, we were impressed. Getting a well-designed, professional-looking presentation from just a single line of text, and in under a minute, felt surprisingly effortless. One of the biggest issues with many AI tools, especially when used for school or professional work, is whether you can actually trust the information they give you. A quick, surface-level answer isn't enough when you're doing serious research. Some AI tools even make up sources or fake citations, which makes them unreliable. Oreate's Deep Research feature is designed to be this solution. This tool is built to do more than just basic Google searches. It helps you really dig into any topic in depth. Just like the presentation maker, you start by giving it a simple prompt. Let's stick with the same example: the impact of renewable energy on the global economy. Right away, the AI creates a detailed, editable outline for the research. Once you give it the go-ahead, it starts putting everything together. It takes a couple of minutes, but that's because it's doing real, in-depth work. When it's done, you don't just get a document, you get a complete research paper, along with a summary landing page that highlights the key points and data for a quick read-through. The best part is that every claim in the research paper comes with real, properly labeled citations, which is something most AI tools struggle with. No made-up sources, no guesswork, just reliable information you can trust. And yes, you can export the paper or edit it as much as you want. For anyone doing serious research, this could easily be your go-to tool. Writing long academic papers is tough. A few hundred words might be easy to put together, but when you're asked to create a well-structured essay that's several thousand words long, keeping the tone formal and consistent can feel overwhelming. On top of that, there's the added pressure of making sure the final work passes AI detection tools, which are getting smarter every day. That's where Oreate's AI essay writer comes in. This isn't just another generic text generator. It's trained specifically for academic writing, which means it understands how to structure papers, keep the right tone, and handle citations properly. Its boldest feature: it can generate essays up to 20,000 words with a single click. For our test, we're going big. We'll request an essay between 12,000 and 20,000 words on renewable energy. After we type in our topic, pick the word count and choose the language. Oreate first shows us a detailed outline for approval. Once we confirm, it starts writing. And within a couple of minutes, we have a full, detailed essay ready to go. The real standout, though, is quality. Oreate's essays reportedly pass AI detection more than 90% of the time, which is huge for students and researchers who want their work to sound human. On top of that, the platform has a smart editing tool built in. You can expand ideas, tighten paragraphs, or rephrase sections directly inside the editor, making it super easy to polish your paper before submission. This brings us to two features that address the most persistent problem in AI writing: the lack of a human touch. Content generated by standard models often has a robotic feel, with predictable sentence structures and word choices. Even if factually correct, this text can be flagged by AI detectors, undermining its value. Similarly, basic paraphrasing tools often fail to create truly original content. They simply perform synonym swaps, which can result in awkward phrasing without altering the core structure. Oreate's Humanize feature tackles the first issue directly. After pasting a paragraph from ChatGPT into the tool, a single click rewrites the passage entirely. The resulting text flows naturally, employs more varied vocabulary, and has a human-like rhythm, effectively removing the telltale signs of AI generation. This tool achieves a 100% AI detection pass rate against detectors like Turnitin and Originality. The Paraphraser tool offers a similarly sophisticated solution. Instead of just replacing words, Oreate's AI fundamentally restructures sentences, rephrases ideas, and alters the flow, while perfectly preserving the original meaning. This approach goes far beyond simple synonym replacement, making it a genuinely useful tool for creating original content. In today's crowded market, any tool has to prove it brings real value to stand out. The challenge for a new platform is showing that it can actually solve users' problems better than the big, well-known players. That's where Oreate really sets itself apart. Most tools still make you write slide content by hand, but Oreate automates the entire process, turning what used to take days into just seconds. For research, it can pull and cite real studies from places like Google Scholar, which is a huge step up from AI tools that often make up fake sources. When it comes to long-form writing, Oreate can generate up to 20,000 words in a single run, while most other tools stop after a few hundred words and make you keep reprompting them. Plus, it comes with a built-in editor, so you can polish your work right on the platform, without jumping between different apps. And maybe most importantly, it's designed with AI detection in mind, helping users avoid one of the biggest headaches of using AI-generated content. After a thorough inspection, Oreate AI proves to be a powerful and thoughtfully designed platform. It successfully addresses some of the most significant problems in AI-assisted writing, from the robotic quality of text to the unreliability of research and the time-consuming nature of content creation. It saves an incredible amount of time while producing high-quality, professional, and human-like content. For any student, professional, or content creator looking to streamline their workflow, Oreate AI appears to be a worthwhile investment. You'll find all the sign-up links in the description below. Plus, our viewers get a special discount. Just use the code INS10 to save $10 on your subscription. Go ahead, grab your subscription, start using it, and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.